The final part of the flow is the API. In addition to its user-friendly interface, H2oGPTe provides API access, allowing developers and tech enthusiasts to integrate its functionalities into their own applications, workflows, or systems. This brings key benefits such as seamless integration, customizability, and scalability, making it an essential tool for building tailored solutions. But what exactly are APIs, you might wonder, if you're unfamiliar with the term. In this context, APIs, application programming interfaces, act as a bridge that enables different software applications to communicate with one another. Essentially, they allow you to send requests to the H2oGPTe platform, such as asking questions, retrieving document insights, or generating content, and receive responses in a structured, programmatic way. This flexibility empowers you to embed H2oGPTe's powerful capabilities directly into your systems, adapting it to meet your specific needs without being confined to the standard user interface. You can create your own API key by clicking on using the API button in the drop-down menu under your user icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to a page with detailed instructions on how to generate and use your API key effectively. This page introduces API keys for interacting with the H2oGPTe platform. Key points include Public Instance Alert. This is a shared instance for demonstration purposes with usage limits. API Key Creation. No keys exist yet, but you can create one using +new API key. Remember to save your secret API key as it won't be shown again. API Key Types. Global API keys allow full access to impersonate your user for API calls. Collection-specific keys. Restrict access to a specific collection. Security. API keys are private and should not be shared. Resources. Links to Python client libraries and documentation are available for easier integration. Code examples includes sample Python code for using both global and collection-specific keys. This ensures secure and flexible API interactions tailored to your needs. After clicking on the +new API key button, a pop-up window will appear. Here's what to do. Key name. Enter a name for your key, for example, API-test. Collection restriction. Select the collection to restrict the key to, for example, drug use assistance. Generate key. Click the Generate New Key button. Once the key is created, a second pop-up will display your secret key. Copy it using the Copy button and click Close. This secret key is your access credential for API interactions. To integrate your API key and start using H2oGPTe in Python, follow these steps. Import the library. In your Python notebook, import the H2oGPTe library. From H2oGPTe, import H2oGPTe. Initialize the client. Set up the client by specifying the API address and your secret API key. Client equals H2oGPTe and the URL as well as the API key. Once initialized, your setup is ready to invoke and interact with the API through your Python code. Security reminder. Your API key is secret and it's crucial to keep it secure. If you're sharing your notebook, take precautions to prevent the key from being exposed. Use a global variable or environment variable to store the key securely, especially when working with other developers. This approach ensures controlled access while maintaining flexibility in your workflow.